These three AI altcoins will see huge returns this bull run. Gary Gensler speaks on the Ethereum ETF, and Polygon launches a new testnet for private applications. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz Io, and as always, it's not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
The chair of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, appears to be getting fed up with answering questions about crypto. Gensler said on CNBC's Squawk Box, "Crypto is a small piece of our overall markets." Gensler compared the $110 trillion capital market the SEC oversees with the $2.4 trillion crypto market, claiming much of the latter doesn't comply with the United States securities laws, so it has an outsized piece of scams and frauds and problems in our markets.
Big question in crypto land right now. Is Ethereum a commodity, or is Ethereum a security, and therefore will there one day be an ETF? That's the fundamental question on the table in crypto land. You agree?
Oh, you're the one that's out there asking the questions. All I would say is, to me, the fundamental question is how do we ensure that the American investor is protected? And right now, they're not getting the required or needed disclosures. And the intermediaries in the center of this rather centralized market generally are conflicted and doing things we would never allow the New York Stock Exchange to do. The New York Stock Exchange is not allowed to trade against the investors.
Okay, but let me ask you about this. You've seen the consensus lawsuit, and I know you have a Wells notice with them as well. This is Patrick Henry saying the following, and I want you to respond to it. Just months after a federal judge sanctioned SEC enforcement lawyers for lying in court, new evidence shows that Chair Gary Gensler himself misled Congress. The testimony to the Financial Services Committee last April, Chair Gensler refused to answer questions about the SEC's classification of Ether, and new court filings show this was an intentional attempt to misrepresent the Commission's position.
We speak to Congress directly in hearings like that, and also directly to members, and we share with them accurately what we're doing, so that the viewers can also understand we don't speak about whether we have an investigation or whether we don't have an investigation, and we don't speak about whether somebody is, in our opinion, not following the law unless we actually bring a case. So we stay quiet on many questions that you might ask at this live interview or even
but ultimately, should investors,
a congressional hearing.
There's a lot of folks who bought Ethereum expecting that one day there will be potentially an ETF, and that it will be considered a genuine security that's tradable on these exchanges. Will that happen?
Again, that's something in front of our commission right now. We're a 5-member commission, and those filings will take up at the appropriate time.
Paul Grewal, Coinbase's legal chief, a company locked in a legal fight with the United States, told Gensler on X, "Please stop misleading the market. Tokens are not securities." Their pleadings notwithstanding, your own attorneys have admitted this in court. Today's YouTube news is sponsored by Sui. You may not have noticed lately, but Sui is fast becoming a home for some terrific airdrops. DeepBook, Sui's premier gateway for liquidity, has already had one airdrop, and a second one is coming soon. Other Sui ecosystem projects are airdropping soon as well, and the easiest way to get them is buying Sui and holding in the Sui Wallet. There's a new mobile version available, so try the Sui Wallet out today with the link down below. Render is the first AI coin today that's been making waves, rallying above $10 this week, and was recently featured in Apple's keynote yesterday. The Render network shared on X, Octane X, was featured in today's Apple Keynote. Apple users can augment the massive increase in rendering power on the M4 with access to near unlimited high-performance, decentralized GPU compute powered on the Render network using Octane X. This partnership marks a significant leap forward. It combines Apple's advanced hardware with the expansive power of a decentralized GPU platform. Octane X is designed to harness the Render network's decentralized GPU resources. It now offers a near unlimited pool of high-performance computing power for rendering tasks. This is particularly beneficial for professionals in animation, visual effects, and video production. They constantly seek more efficient ways to handle increasingly complex and resource-intensive projects. The Render Network, by utilizing blockchain technology, allows users to tap into a global network of GPUs. This is where Octane X comes into play, acting as a bridge between Apple users and this decentralized network. It enables users to offload rendering tasks to the Render Network directly from their Apple devices, which can drastically reduce the time and cost associated with these processes. During the keynote, Apple demonstrated this integration with a live example, showcasing how seamless Octane X operates with the M4 chip. For many Apple users, this development could be a game changer. It opens up new possibilities in terms of what can be created on their devices without the traditional barriers of hardware limitations. The Aioz Network's token has seen a significant surge in its market value, climbing over 17% in the last 24 hours to trade at 85 cents. The uptick in Aioz market activity is linked to a recent announcement by Korea's leading exchange, BitThumb, which has added Aioz to its listing. Further boosting investor interest is Aioz Network's recent integration with Demmer, a mixed reality network built on the Solana blockchain. The network leverages AI and blockchain technology to blend virtual reality with real-world applications. The integration uses W3 IPFS for deep-end storage solutions to support the upcoming storage of NFT assets, enhancing the network's capability in decentralized content delivery. Aioz Network is a decentralized infrastructure project for digital media streamlining and storage via Web3 AI technologies. By rewarding users who share computational resources, Aioz enables the storage, transcoding, and streaming of digital media while also supporting decentralized AI computation. Its decentralized content delivery system facilitates AI computation, data storage, and media video streaming across decentralized applications within the network. Aioz Network also supports dApp integration and smart contract languages compatible with blockchain networks such as Ethereum and Cosmos. Fetch AI, the artificial intelligence token, has experienced an impressive 21% gain over the past week, signaling renewed investor interest and bullish sentiment in the market. The positive price movement has attracted the attention of savvy traders, with one particular individual making notable moves within the Fetch AI ecosystem. A crypto whale recently deposited a substantial amount of Fetch AI tokens, totaling 6.66 million FET, valued at $15.9 million, to Coinbase Prime at a price of $2.38. The transaction marks the conclusion of the trader's first Fetch AI trade, resulting in an estimated profit of $15.81 million, representing an impressive 434% increase. The trader's trading history with Fetch AI includes previous withdrawals of 17,098 million FET tokens from Binance and Coinbase at an average price of 21 cents, costing an estimated $3.6 million between June 1st and July 25th in 2023. Overall, the smart trader has made a total profit of $24.8 million. Despite no longer holding Fetch AI tokens, the trader still maintains a substantial holding of 1.186 million Render tokens, valued at $12.1 million. Polygon, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, has recently launched its Miden Alpha Testnet, a zero-knowledge rollup solution designed for private, high-throughput applications. Miden enables its users to generate proofs for their own state transitions without revealing the state of the wider network. The network will only track commitments, meaning its users can transact privately. Some features that will be unlocked with Miden include the ability to create private accounts and private notes, though it will still be possible to create public accounts and public notes. Additionally, the Miden client will enable parallel transaction execution and client-side proving. Polygon wrote, for builders, that means designing self-sovereigning and high-throughput applications. With Miden's ZK-powered rollup, you can build what's currently not feasible on EVM chains. Polygon Miden is not the only rollup solution that's hoping to innovate in the ZK rollup space. Competitors include Starkware and Matter Labs, the team behind ZK Sync, who are similarly hoping to bring new possibilities to blockchain scaling. QANPlatform launched the world's first quantum-resistant blockchain testnet, compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine, enabling the development of quantum-resistant smart contracts. The new testnet will enable developers to write smart contracts using any programming language. According to Johan Poleksak, co-founder and chief technology officer of QANPlatform, this marks the first EVM-compatible testnet with quantum-resistant cybersecurity. Centralized authorities like governments, companies, and organizations can switch their IT security to post-quantum cryptography much more easily than blockchain platforms. Post-quantum security has become a processing concern since December 2023, when the second largest quantum processor, IBM Condor, was launched with 1,121 qubits. Due to their inherent decentralization, most of the top existing blockchain networks, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, are unable to adopt quantum-resistant security measures without significant negative impact. However, the new QANPlatform testnet will enable EVM-compatible protocols to test the migration process for a quantum-resistant alternative without risking user funds on the mainnet. The testnet announcement comes nearly 2 months after the first European country adopted QANPlatform's quantum-resistant technology in March. The tech stack protects against quantum computing attacks on government-owned cybersecurity infrastructure. Governments worldwide are already preparing for post-quantum era. In 2018, the European Commission launched the Quantum Flagship Research Initiative with a budget of at least €1 billion and a duration of 10 years.